Hi, little learners. Let's learn our ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter A. This is letter A. Can you say A? A. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. A is for alligator. A is for astronaut. B. This is letter B. Can you say B? B. B is for ball. B is for banana. B is for bear. B is for bird. B is for bus. C. This is letter C. Can you say C? C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. C is for cow. C is for crayon. D. This is letter D. Can you say D? D. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for drum. D is for doll. D is for dolphin. E. This is letter E. Can you say E? E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for eagle. E is for earth. E is for eraser. F. This is letter F. Can you say F? F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower. F is for fan. F is for fox. G. This is letter G. Can you say G? G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for guitar. G is for gift. G is for grass. H. This is letter H. Can you say H? H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for house. H is for hand. H is for honey. I. This is letter I. Can you say I? I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice. I is for igloo. I is for ink. I is for island. J. This is letter J. Can you say J? J. J is for juice. J is for jellyfish. J is for jeep. J is for jacket. J is for jam. K. This is letter K. Can you say K? K. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for king. K is for koala. L. This is letter L. Can you say L? L. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for leaf. L is for ladder. L is for lemon. M. This is letter M. Can you say M? M. M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for milk. M is for mango. M is for mouse. N. This is letter N. Can you say N? N. N is for nest. N is for nose. N is for net. N is for notebook. N is for night. O. This is letter O. Can you say O? O. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for octopus. O is for oven. O is for ocean. P. This is letter P. Can you say P? P. P is for pig. P is for pencil. P is for pizza. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Q. This is letter Q. Can you say Q? Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. Q is for question. Q is for quiet. R. This is letter R. Can you say R? R. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for robot. R is for ring. R is for rose. S. This is letter S. Can you say S? S. S is for sun. S is for star. S is for snake. S is for spoon. S is for school. T. This is letter T. Can you say T? T. T is for tiger. T is for tree. T is for train. T is for table. T is for turtle. U. This is letter U. Can you say U? U. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform. U is for up. U is for ukulele. V. This is letter V. Can you say V? V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for vase. V is for vegetable. V is for volcano. W. This is letter W. Can you say W? W. W is for whale. W is for watch. W is for water. W is for window. W is for worm. X. This is letter X. Can you say X? X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray fish. X is for xeris. X is for X mark. Y. This is letter Y. Can you say Y? Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yellow. Y is for yogurt. Z. This is letter Z. Can you say Z? Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zero. Z is for zipper. Wow, great job, little learners! Let's say the letters together one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A is for apple, B is for bowl, C is for cat, D is for duck.